Start. I am indeed very happy to have this opportunity to be present at the inaugural ceremony of the 36th edition of the India International Trade Fair Stop. This fair commences every year on 14th November, the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stop. The IITF is a mega project of the new India that is fast taking shape. Stop. It showcases the vision of a glorious tomorrow, a spirit of excellence and achievement, and unparalleled investment opportunity through the prism of the Make in India and Digital India initiatives taken by the Prime Minister. Stop. The fair symbolizes India's commitment towards bringing the benefits of economic reform to its people from all walks of life, especially the underprivileged. Stop. I am heartened to see the considerable presence of foreign companies at the fair. Stop. I would like to make a special mention of India's continued endeavor of empowering and bringing together all constructive forces for a better world. Stop. The recent BRICS summit has created a great reservoir of goodwill, which is vital for consolidating our economic and cultural linkages and social bonds with countries across the world. Stop. India has always believed in the stability and growth of our neighboring countries. Stop. Putting people first is the guiding philosophy of our development cooperation partnership. Stop. Focused on an agenda aimed at regional harmony, peace, and prosperity, we look forward to working together in priority areas such as infrastructure development, connectivity, capacity building, education, healthcare, and the setting up of development projects. Stop. Era. India is working with like minded countries in multilateral organizations, including the United Nations, to play an enhanced role in diverse fora from the Arctic Council and the Pacific Alliance to the UN Security Council, where India has made a legitimate claim for a permanent membership. Stop. Apart from economic dimensions, I believe that a fair such as IITF provides an excellent opportunity to introspect on challenges, integrate minds, and prepare strategies for the mammoth task of nation building. Stop. As India strives to become a manufacturing hub in diverse sectors, it needs to increase its energy resources without compromising on the environmental aspects. Stop. Factors such as demography, development, and urbanization exert tremendous pressure on availability of resources. Stop. Large scale utilization of resources impacts adversely to on the environment. Industry therefore needs to adopt eco-friendly measures and technologies for the development of the people. Stop.